Hi loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have got a very exciting video. It's my first ever time doing this, but we're going to do a luxury unboxing video. And now I've never done one of these on my channel before. I think it's probably because I've never actually bought enough luxury things in a short space of time to be able to film a video longer than around 3 minutes. So it happens that it was my birthday a couple of weeks ago, so I was gifted quite a lot of this stuff. So I didn't go crazy and just buy all this stuff. I was gifted a lot of things for my 30th birthday, and I did buy 1 or 2 things myself as well as a little treat for my birthday. So I thought it would be fun to unbox them together. So let's just run through some of the bits we're going to be talking about in the video, just so you know what we are going to be talking about. Got a little Fendi gift for my birthday this year. This was off my best friend, so I was chuffed when I opened that. And we got some earrings. This was off my mother for my 30th from Missoma. 2 little bits from Dior, one of one of my closest friends and the other of my partner Claudio. Then we've got a Nadine Merabi parcel which actually came today. And I was like, I'm not going to open this until I film the video because it makes sense to do like a first impressions. So I actually don't even know what is inside this box, but we'll find out in a bit. We've got the Gucci Horsebit bag. I've had this for around a week now. I rent this off Cocoon, so I haven't purchased this. Not a new big huge purchase like that. I wouldn't just drop that on you. This is actually rented off Cocoon. It's just a subscription service. I rent off them once a month. So we'll talk through how much fits in this Gucci Horsebit as well. And then we've got the Celine belt. I actually picked this up on my birthday trip. This was one of the things that I actually did by myself of my 30th. But first up, we are going to unbox some of the bits from the Beautyworks calendar together. Beautyworks have actually been kind enough to sponsor the first part of this video, so we'll talk through this calendar. Is huge. I can't even get it in the frame. So we'll first unbox a couple of things from you. I won't unbox everything because then if you did want to buy the calendar, it'll be really boring for you. So I'll unbox a couple of the different ones just as a surprise and give you my review on that as well. Okay, I've actually had to move back a little bit for this because it is so big that I can't really even fit it in the frame. So there we are, that's better. It's so heavy as well. My arm is actually aching so much holding this up. So this is the Beautyworks calendar for Christmas, obviously this year. It is a 12-day calendar and I think this is around £180, but there's a £300 worth of bits inside. So this is the inside of the calendar. These boxes are quite big, which is probably why this is huge, because obviously the boxes inside are quite big as well. So let's just choose a random one and let's get into what's inside. I've actually already got 2 wands by Beautyworks and I love the way they do my hair. So I'm kind of hoping there's a wand in here, to be honest. So first up we have a microfiber hair turban for all types of hair and extensions. And obviously that is one good thing about Beautyworks. I wear extensions, so their products are a lot tailored to extensions as well. Obviously if you haven't got extensions you can still use all the products, but they are extension friendly if you've got extensions as well. So this is the first little gift. It's got some buttons on there so you can sort of wrap your hair after you've been in the shower. It's actually super soft. I'm trying to feel which ones are differently. Do you ever do that at Christmas time? When I was younger I always used to go under the tree and shake all my presents, like to find out what was inside. Like I couldn't wait until the next day. We have a brush. Again, this would be good for extensions. Super soft bristles. I never ever brush my hair when it's wet, but if I need to, like if there's a knot in it, I'll always use a brush like this with just soft bristles, just to not damage my hair too much. Okay, next up we are going to do number 19. I feel like I've missed out all the lower numbers. So what do we have in this one? So this one we have the Argan Serum. It's a 90ml, again with argan oil and vitamin E. So this is a rejuvenating treatment formulated with a blend of the finest argan oils to deeply nourish hair and split ends. So actually I want to smell this because I want to see how it smells, because I'm quite fussy with hair oils. Oh, okay, I can see how it smells. Hold on. Oh my god, it actually smells so good. Oh wow, okay. Oh, it smells like sweets. Like it's got a really sweet smell. That's actually so nice. I'm really fussy with hair oils. I don't know why. You know when you put them on, if they've got like a funny smell, I'm just like fussy with what my hair smells like, if that makes sense. I just feel like when you meet someone and you hug them, they can always smell your hair, can't they? Like that's probably like one of the first things they can smell. So I'm always like, does my hair smell? Does it smell nice? I also spray perfume in my hair as well all the time. So next up we'll do number 14. I've tried to come for the lower numbers this time. So in this one we have the minis. Oh, this is the shampoo and conditioner, I think. Yeah, so the Pearl Nourishing Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner. These are little mini bottles, so they are around 50ml each, perfect for traveling. So I just want to check if these are sulfate free, because I actually haven't used these ones before and I tend to go for shampoos that are sulfate free. So I'm just going to have a little read. So shampoo is free from parabens, gently dense away, argan oil and milk protein, which will leave the hair feeling revitalised. This sulfate-free formula works to restore soft, smooth hair with luminous shine that moisturises and strengthens hair. Okay, yeah, so they are sulfate-free, which is a plus for me. So now we've moved on to 21, and I think this is the last one I'm going to do because I don't want to open all of them, because I feel like if you do want to buy it, then it's going to be boring because you're going to remember like which one is in which. So this is number 21, and this is okay, it's a silk hair turban, I think. Yes, so this is a silk hair turban. This is perfect for sleeping in. I actually have silk pillowcases on my bed as well, but apparently these are really good. I've never actually owned one, so I'm definitely going to give it a try. Silk is so good for your hair. Like, I've literally noticed the difference even on my skin as well. Like, if I don't sleep with a silk pillowcase, my skin and my hair the next day. So this is actually so good. Let me check how much this retails actually, because I think this is quite expensive. Yeah, I thought so. Normally silk products like this are quite expensive. So this product retails at £70 separately. So this is a pure silk elasticated hair turban designed to suit all hair types and protect hair from nightly damage. I actually think that's going to be a good one, because obviously sometimes in the night I do creep over to Claudio's pillow, you know, like when you're sleeping. Obviously he doesn't use a silk pillow because he doesn't care. So sometimes in the night, like if I go over for a couch, I'll like put my head on his pillow, and then when I wake up and I'm over there, I'm like, no, go back to your own pillow. Back to the silk goodness for your skin and your hair, like move over, and then I go back to my own. So with this I'll probably be over there all night, like trying to coach him. So let's open number 24, obviously. Can't believe I nearly didn't open that with you. So this is, oh, I think it's a hair wand. Oh yeah, we've got, so this is obviously the protection mat, and then we have a hair tong. Oh, I actually didn't even know they did hair tongs. I thought it was just wands. So this is the gold hair tong. I've actually got the wand version of this. So let me check what size barrier that is so I can tell you. Not barrier, barrel. Let me check what size barrel that is. Okay, so this is the limited edition gold professional 25mm curl tong and heat resistant bag. I actually love the Beauty Works. I really rate the hair wands, so I'm actually excited to try this with the wand. I normally, when I'm doing with the wand, I hold the wand up. I'll show you quickly. I never actually go like that because I feel like it makes like a line in your hair. So with the wand normally I do this and then I close it. Does that make sense? So I kind of like do it like that rather than closing it. Obviously you can still do it like that if you want and then like roll it up. But I find when I do it like that I get like a line at the bottom. So I tend to do it the other way. Anyway, I've got a curl tutorial on my Insta if you did want to see that. But this is actually such a good one and such a nice one for the final as well. So that is it for the Beauty Works calendar. Again, this is £300 worth of products for £180. I feel like this is probably a really lovely gift. Like if somebody's got a curl tong on their wish list, I feel like this would be a lush gift for them. But also a good gift for yourself as well if you did want the tong, and if you were looking at this anyway, you may as well get all of it. So I will leave the links to this and everything in the description box below, and let's move on. So next up, let's talk about the Celine Triomphe belt, and I hope I say that correctly. If I don't, then I'm sorry. But I got this in a medium. I basically wanted the small originally, but when we tried it on in the shop, I tried on the small and the medium together, and Claudia was like, the medium looks so much better, get the medium, it looks better on you. So then I ended up going for the medium. I mean, I think it was the right choice because I do have the really small YSL, like the very thin one, so I thought it was nice to get like a more chunky one, so the medium was perfect. I got this in a size, I think it was 70 centimeters. But I will put all the size information below at the end. I'll actually find it. But yeah, this is the belt. I absolutely love it. I've styled it up so much already. I've lost the box and Claudio is furious about it. He keeps telling me I need to put that belt back in the box, but I've lost the box, so I kind of just hang it on the hanger. But if you have got any tips on how to actually look after, like should I buy another box and put it in the box, because I should look after this and I really want it to last forever. So any tips on how to look after like leather belts, let me know. Next up we have the little Fendi gift. I mean, me and my best friend literally went out on the night out for my birthday. We went for a dinner with all my friends and family, and then we went for a dinner, then we went out after, went back to the hotel and opened our birthdays the same day. So, well, not the same day, but mine's on the 11th and hers is on the 12th, so they're so close together. So we were like, when we got in, obviously we hadn't given each other our gifts, so we just sat there on the bed eating McDonald's chicken select, and I'm a vegetarian most of the time. I never eat chicken selects and chips, and then we like opened all our gifts together, and it was so cute. And then the next morning I was like, did I even give you that gift? Like, I can't even remember. But yeah, basically she bought me some Fendi tights, and now I sent her the inspo of these Fendi tights like 2 years ago. I've been wearing them since they came out. I saw Leonie Hani wearing the lighter version. It was like a cream version, I think it was last year, and I was obsessed with them ever since. But I do think this is the type of thing that you really done by yourself. Like, it's just so much money on a pair of tights. Like, I just don't think I could do it. Like, I'd be at the till buying them and be like, no, do you know what, I'm gonna give this a miss. It's just so much money in it. So she bought them for me, bless her. I just think it's such a lush gift, and I would buy them for somebody else. Like, if she wanted them, I would buy it for her, because I just feel like it's one of them things you would never buy yourself, but I would buy them for her. So it's one of them funny things, and one of them gifts. So they've got basically the I'm trying to show you, but they've got like the Fendi, is it called a motif? Fendi, let me Google that to make sure I'm saying that. Let me Google that whilst my arm is in the tights on the screen. Fendi, is it called a motif? Have I got that right? Motif, yeah, it does say motif. Yes, sounds right. My god, I'm getting so much better. This is it. So they've got the Fendi motif all over them. How nice does that look? Obviously that's not the most aesthetically pleasing way to show you. I'm looking in the viewfinder like, okay, cool. But it's lush. They're so nice, and I've worn them so much. I find that they really dress up an outfit. Like, I was doing a grey blazer outfit the other day, and I was like, oh, it looks okay, but it's not that nice. And then I put these on underneath, and I was like, oh my god, it looks so good. I'll actually put a clip in now so you can see them on, because I appreciate that. Holding up the hand and showing you them is not the best. So that was what I got from Fendi. Next up we will do Dior, and now this is the little bag I got off one of my other closest friends, and this is what I got off Claudio. I didn't bring the box home because we were in Venice and we were tight on luggage space, so Claudia was like, don't bring the box, just bring the little thing, like the carrier. So this is the Christian Dior choker. It's like the mini version. I don't know if it's called the mini, but it's called the petite, I think. It's not the big chunky one, it's like the smaller version. I think it's quite new, it hasn't been around that long, but how lush is it? Like, when he got this, I was chuffed. I was really chuffed. And he told me that he'd actually text my friend who bought me the Fendi tights and showed her what he was buying. And she was like, oh, what about the other one? Like, because there was two options. And he was like, no, I'm in Louis Vuitton, I'm buying this, like that. And she was like, no, I think you should go back to Dior. I think she's going to prefer the Dior one. So then he went back to Dior and picked up this. And Dior actually emailed me saying, thanks for your visit in New Bond Street. And I was like, I didn't go to New Bond Street and visit them, but I just ignored it. Even though it was like a week before my birthday, I didn't even think of anything. I was like, no, I didn't go, they must have made a mistake. But obviously it was Claudio, bless him. And then he put it on my name as well, which is so nice, because then if anything ever goes wrong with him, I can just go in. I wouldn't need him to come in with me. So yeah, absolutely love this. I'm gonna get so much way out of it, like this season and always. I'm trying to be really careful with it, because I know obviously it's not real gold, so I'm trying not to get it wet and not spray perfume on it and stuff, because I really want this to last forever. And then one of my other closest friends bought me a little Dior ring. Now I already have a Dior ring here. I bought this for myself my last birthday, actually, in Prague. I bought this, and then my friend got me this little ring which goes on the other finger. And actually she was like, I'm so chuffed I've got the ring size correct. So it comes in this little box. Sorry, I feel like I unboxed that really. I just did it on my lap and didn't even show you. So it comes in this little box here, and then you open it out here. I mean, I'm not the best at aesthetically pleasing unboxing, but if I was watching the video, I'd be like, get it out of the box and show me what it is. I don't want to see the box and the ribbons and stuff. I just want to know what it is. So this is the ring. So I've just put it on just so you can see, because I feel like that's probably better. I really desperately need to tan my hands. Please don't look at these. I really need to tan them. But yeah, that's so cute, and I was so chuffed with that. I think it's really lush. Love gold. I'm actually going to leave that on because I can wear it now. It's after my birthday. So next up, let's do the Nadine Merabi surprise, and then we'll do the Gucci bag. And again, I don't actually know what's in this, so I'm going to try and do it like on the screen, but it is quite hard. I think I have an idea because it's some small box. If you see the first new Darcy leopard pajamas. Okay, they've launched a new pajamas. I have these already in white, and they've launched a leopard print. I actually love leopard print. Like, for me to be walking around the house in leopard print is the one. Like, Christmas time, Don't worry about Christmas pyjamas. Get me in these leopard print with feathers on. Isn't that a vibe? New Year's Eve. Because I never go out New Year's Eve. I like to stay in. Like, I'm not one of them people who goes out and parties New Year's Eve. I'm like, let's just stay at home. I try to convince my parents to do a firework display every year, and they're always like, no, we're not doing that. I think they did it once. Like, I'm talking 10 years ago, and they never did it since. And every year I'm like, why didn't you do a bit of a firework display and have everyone at your house? And they're like, no, we're not having a New Year's Eve party. But again, that's just reminded me. It's about time that I text them and try and remind them that they need to have a New Year's Eve party this year. How lush are these? So nice. Leopard print. They've got like the feather sleeves. I absolutely love Nadine Merabi. You know, if you follow me on Insta, I wear so much of this stuff. Then you've got the trousers as well. What size are these actually? I'm panicking. I'm like, oh, what if they're not my size? What size did they send? Okay, small to medium. That's perfect. That is my size in Nadine Merabi. I am so excited to wear these Christmas time. They're so lush. Oh, so I forgot about these actually. Let's do these quick. Missoma earrings. I'm aware the video's time is going on. I don't want to make it too long for you. So these are little Missoma earrings. My mother bought me for my 30th. I absolutely love them. I really wanted them. I bought them for my friend who bought me the Fendi tights last year, and I see them in her ears every time, and I just love them. They're like little stars. So basically one of the bits of the star goes behind your ear, so you can only see like half the star. I love it. So pretty. I absolutely love these. So Missoma actually do really good Black Friday deals as well as Astrid and Mill. These are all from Astrid and Mill my year, and they also do loads of Black Friday deals, and I have got a discount code coming for Astrid and Mill as well. So all of these are Astrid. I'm not going to unbox them with you, but as soon as my discount code becomes available on Astrid, I'll put it in the description box. So it'll probably be the day after I put the video live, so if you are watching the day after, it should already be there. So lastly, let's talk about the Gucci Horsebit bag, and let's wrap this up quickly. I got it in this colour. I didn't even know it came in this colour. So I've seen it online in tan, and I've seen it when it's got like the Gucci print on it, but I never saw it in, it's like a chocolate brown. Online it looks like it's tan, but then when it came, like this top is chocolate brown. It's chocolate brown, isn't it? Like I love the colour on it. I think it's stunning. So I love these bags. You know what? I never ever thought that I would buy a Gucci Horsebit bag because I was never that interested in it. But since I've been renting them off Cocoon, this is so good. Like, it fits so much in it. I can't tell you how much it fits. Well, I can because I'm absolutely going to. So this is the inside. You can literally get loads of stuff in there. Like if you're travelling, for example, I took it travelling, not this one, but I had the other one, and I fitted everything in there, like my passport, my phone, hand sanitizer. I think I even had a bottle of water in there at one point. There's just a ton of room. And then you've got a front pocket as well. So this is actually good because the stuff is still inside. So you've got front pocket there, big pocket there, another pocket at the back, and you've got a zip compartment, which I love. Like, you need to have a zip, don't you, for like your bits that you don't want just like going round in your bag. Huge, such good space, and so sturdy as well. That's what I did notice about these bags. Like, they're so sturdy, like, and thick, the leather. You can just tell the quality's insane. So like, I just know if I bought this ever, it just wouldn't get wrecked. Like, it's just so easy. You can put it over your shoulder. I haven't actually got any pictures in this yet because, again, it's really recent. But if I do, it'll probably be over on my Insta if you want to come follow me on there. But honestly, review of this bag is amazing. I love it. Like, if you are thinking about it, if this is your style, then these bags are so good. I feel like they would last forever and they never really go out of style. I don't really know what else to say. It's really great. I really love it. Again, I did not purchase this bag. I didn't buy it outright. I rent it off Cocoon subscription service. I do have a discount code, but I'm not sure if it's still valid, but I'll check with them, and if it's still valid, I'll pop it in the description box below. So that is it for me today. I've actually loved doing this video. I can't say there's going to be another one anytime soon because I don't know that there will be, but I've loved doing it. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you want to see from me next week. As always, do not forget to subscribe before you leave today because I put content out every Sunday, mostly fashion content, but some other bits as well, some vlogs. So do not forget to subscribe, and I'll also pop my Instagram on screen now so you can come follow me on there as well. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you later.